Good morning, grade 6. Today we're gonna start unit 7 in our AL book and it's called Explorers for a Day. Explorers for a Day. Let's start with the words of lesson 1 and 2. Here is the word number 1, which is binoculars. Binoculars. Binoculars, it's a thing that you hold in front of your eyes to see things far away. And this is a picture for binoculars. Binoculars. Number 2, here we have compass. I know it's easy for you. Compass, this is the north, the east, the west, and the south. Here we have north, east, west, and south. So here is a compass that shows us the directions. Number 3, there is a treasure. Treasure, I think it's a clear treasure. Number 4 is the journalist. Journalist is someone who writes in the journal. And here we have a sentence, he is a well-known journalist, he writes for Al Ahram newspaper. And the last one here is novelist. Novelist is someone who writes novels. Someone who writes novels. And as you can see here, we have, I want to be a novelist and write my own novels. So, and novels, by the way, is kind of long stories. Now it's time to listen to the lesson. Here we have a story. The Disney Club is doing something important. Let's see what's happening right here.
Today, you're all explorers. 10 flags are hidden. They are marked on the map. You have 3 hours. At the end, the group with the most flags wins. There is a dad with each group to keep you safe. Dads, remember you must not help the children at all. Here is a compass for each group. Good luck. I'll wait for you here.
So here we have the Disney Club is doing a new thing. They are all today explorers. Explorers. They will explore things, okay? And we have here marked on the map. Mark on. Mark on. Mark on the map. And in picture number 2, we have to keep you safe. Keep you safe. And safe here, by the way, is a adjective. It's an adjective. Okay, and I think that's all. We have to complete pictures 3 and 4 together.
Right, let's try and find this flag first. We just have to walk north for 1 kilometre. Who's got the compass? I have. It's this way. We've been walking for a long time. Where's the flag? Are you sure we're going north, Ed? North? I thought you said south. I think this is the river which is on the map. We can find our way now.
Oh no, it's starting to rain. And it looks like a storm. We need to find shelter.
How about this cave? Are you sure? It's very dark.
Come on, it's fine.
Okay, now here we are, grade 6. We have here picture 3. Right, let's try and find this flag first. We just have to walk north. And what is meant by north? North is the direction towards the top of the map. The direction towards the top of the map. For 1 kilometer, who's got the compass? And we already said what the meaning of compass. Compass is something that's used to define the direction, north, south, east, west. It's this way. Picture 4, we have been walking for a long time. Where is the flag? Are you sure you're going north? North? I thought you said south. So here we have north towards the top and the south towards the bottom of the map. Now let's complete picture 5. later. I think this river, which is on the map, it's on the map. We can find our way now. Oh no, it's starting to rain. It looks like a storm. We need to find a shelter, and the shelter, by the way, is somewhere you can keep safe in danger. Somewhere you can keep safe in danger. How about this cave? And by the way, how about you can put a noun or a verb plus ing. Noun or verb plus ing. Are you sure? It's very dark. Come on, it's fine. Now it's time to see the exercise after checking the words again. Okay, here we have binoculars, and here is a map, and on the map we have north, east, south, and west, and this is a compass, and here is the word treasure. Let's see exercise 2. Please pause this video, answer exercise 2 by yourself, then come and answer it with me. Number 2. Now the direction towards the bottom. Here we have the bottom of the map, so sure it's the south. Number 2. The direction towards the right of the map, here is the east. And what about the direction towards the left of the map? It's the west. Now, noun, a collection, an object that you use to finding which direction to go. It's an object. So he said an object, so we use compass as an object, and a collection of special and valuable objects. Sure, this is treasure. Okay, here is the word treasure to be more clear. And a drawing. Now he said a drawing that show where places are. This is sure a map. And the last one, an object that you hold in front of your eyes to see things far away. So sure, this is the binoculars. Now let's go to the last part of our lesson, which is working with words. We add the suffix er to some verbs to make nouns, like paint. Paint is a verb, and painter is a noun, the one who paints. Explore is a verb, and explorer is a noun, which is someone who explores things, right? To write something, it's a verb, and writer is the noun, is the job or the action of writing things. And we add the suffix ist to some nouns to make new nouns, like a journal and journalist. Journalist, we already said that he is the one who writes in a journal. Novel and novelist. Novel is a long story, and novelist is the one who writes novels. Tour and tourist, and tourist is that one who take a tour in a place. I think now it's clear, and we're gonna answer exercise 4. As you know, please pause this video and answer after me. My sister is my sister is a novelist. My uncle is a space on a newspaper. He is a journalist. His job to write in a journal. The space starts at night, so the tour starts at night. And I want to paint a picture, and I would like to be a writer when I'm older. This is the last part of our lesson today, which is answering our sheet. Here we are, number 1. A space is a drawing that shows where places are. It's a drawing. He said a drawing here, so it's a map. The space is an object that you hold in front of your eyes to see things far away. This is binoculars, as it's an object. My sister is a space. She writes novels, so she is a novelist. And the number 4, the space is direction towards the top of the map. This is the north. Number 5, today we are all space. Let's explore here, so we are explorers. Number 6, a space is a person who paints picture or makes a sculpture, so this is a painter. A space is a person who plays the guitar. Here we have the guitarist, that one who plays the guitar. Libby is a space because the cave is small and dark, so Libby is worried, someone who feels worrying. This This is worried. In the space about exploring this cave, we said how about or what about. How about or what about. Here we have what about plus verb plus ing. What about eating. Thank you for listening. Meet you next time. Bye bye.